I want you guys to get one thing straight. You are not going to build a business around a bird dog. Okay? One thing that has escaped everybody's mind is we're building a business. And every business has a marketing plan and a marketing budget. Right now, our marketing plan sucks. And our marketing budget is non-existent because all we're doing is we're going to Craigslist and we're going to real estate agents. Okay? So Jackie, bird dogs, they're a good thing to have, but you might get one deal a year from a bird dog. Okay? You might get one deal a year from a realtor. What kind of business are you going to build doing that? Right? So I'm not saying don't look for bird dogs, right? But what I'm going to say is, you know, when you go back and you look at the 2 sections or the 3 sections on how to build a pipeline full of deals, I've actually put in order what I think you should be doing. And bird dog was at the bottom of the list. So if you want to start from the bottom and work your way up, your chances of success are going to be very little. You've got to start at the top and work your way down. So, at the top of my list, I had email marketing, mail marketing. Okay, in my experience, that works the best. Now you can complement mail marketing with postcards or with Craigslist or with advertising or with internet and with email blasts, right? But that's all a marketing plan. And I just showed you 5 marketing strategies. And if you do those consistently, and each one of those marketing strategies generates your phone to ring 30 times, well, you're 30, 150 calls a month or a week, depending on how much of it you do. And I'm telling you that if you get that much traffic coming through the door, you're going to find motivated sellers. Right now, what you're doing is you've set up shop in the basement of some dungeon. You haven't put a sign out on the street. And you're thinking of going out and getting a woman to stand on the sidewalk and say, hey, there's something going on down there. You should go check it out. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Does everybody understand what I'm trying to say? You've got to get your big sign that says open for business. You've got to have your flyers to hand out to people. You've got to have your people running around town telling everybody about it. You've got to do advertising. You've got to do everything a business does to get people to come through your door so they can tell you what they have. But if you're not doing any of that, you're not going to succeed. Okay? So, luck have it that this little property that we're buying, when we end up buying it, I think we're going to be kind of around the area where I'm going to start teaching you guys how to sell these properties. So I'll be able to share with you guys how to sell a property. Stan, we need to talk about that tonight, since we're not going tomorrow, because I was planning to talk to you about it tomorrow.
Okay.
You got my email today, right?
I got all of them.
Did you read them? Because you didn't respond.
I know.
Anyways, any other questions before we go home?